Have you ever stopped to think about how much the internet has changed our lives? It's incredible. From the way we communicate to how we access information, the internet has revolutionized our world. Like a caterpillar transforming into a butterfly, the internet is undergoing a metamorphosis. It's moving to a new era, Web 3.0. This next generation promises to be more decentralized, secure, and user-centric. It's a fascinating time to witness this digital transformation. So buckle up and get ready for a thrilling ride into the future of the internet. Imagine a time when the internet was like a giant library. You could visit websites, read information, and that was pretty much it. This was the era of Web 1.0, the early days of the internet. It was primarily a one-way street with users passively consuming content. Then came Web 2.0, the internet we know and love today. It ushered in an era of interactivity and user-generated content. Social media platforms like Facebook and Twitter exploded onto the scene. E-commerce giants like Amazon and Alibaba transformed the way we shop. Web 2.0 made the internet more dynamic and participatory. However, Web 2.0 also came with its share of drawbacks. Centralized platforms gained immense power. User data became a valuable commodity, often exploited for profit. Concerns about privacy, censorship, and data breaches became increasingly prevalent. This is where Web 3.0 comes in, promising to address these limitations and usher in a new era of the internet. At its core, Web 3.0 is about shifting power back to the users. It's about creating a more equitable and democratic internet where individuals have more control over their data and online experiences. Decentralization is the key principle driving this shift. Unlike Web 2.0, where data is primarily stored and controlled by centralized entities, Web 3.0 leverages blockchain technology to distribute data across a network of computers. This decentralized approach makes it much harder for any single entity to control or manipulate information, enhancing security and transparency. Imagine a future where you have complete ownership and control over your online identity and data. A future where you can seamlessly interact with applications and services without relying on intermediaries. This is the vision of Web 3.0, a more open, transparent, and user-centric internet. Section 4, the building blocks of Web 3.0. Web 3.0 is built on a foundation of innovative technologies that enable its decentralized and user-centric nature. Let's delve into some of the key building blocks that make Web 3.0 tick. Decentralization. As mentioned earlier, decentralization is the cornerstone of Web 3.0. It's about distributing power and control away from centralized entities and putting it back into the hands of users. Smart contracts. These are self-executing contracts written in code that automate agreements between parties. They eliminate the need for intermediaries, increase transparency, and ensure trust in transactions. Interoperability. Web 3.0 aims to create a more interconnected internet where applications and services can seamlessly interact with each other. This means you'll have greater flexibility and control over how you access and use different platforms. These are just a few of the technological advancements that are shaping the Web 3.0 landscape. Now let's explore some real-world examples of how these technologies are being applied. Section 5, Web 3.0 in action, real-world applications. Web 3.0 principles are transforming industries. Decentralized finance, DeFi. DeFi offers open financial services, eliminating traditional intermediaries. Non-fungible tokens, NFTs. NFTs allow artists to monetize their work directly. Decentralized applications, dApps. dApps offer increased security and transparency. The potential of Web 3.0 is vast. Section 6, Embracing the Future. Web 3.0 and beyond. Web 3.0 is not just a technological evolution, it's a paradigm shift that has the potential to transform how we interact with the internet and with each other. While it's still in its early stages of development, the possibilities are vast and exciting. Of course, like any emerging technology, Web 3.0 also faces challenges. Scalability, regulatory uncertainty, and the need for greater user education are just a few hurdles that need to be overcome. However, the potential benefits of a more decentralized, secure, and user-centric internet are too significant to ignore. As we venture further into the uncharted territory of Web 3.0, it's up to us to shape its future. It's time to embrace the possibilities, engage in meaningful conversations, and work together to create an internet that truly benefits everyone. The future of the internet is in our hands. Let's make it a future we can all be proud of.